Good afternoon, everybody. Today I want to start with this image. Left side grandma, right side grandpa. They told me that there was a time when repairing clothes wasn't a choice, it was just common sense, because garments were precious and mending was the norm. But things have changed. The fashion industry flipped the script, pushing us to buy more, faster, and cheaper, resulting in overproduction and a massive waste. And more than that, the real arts and crafts that once made Italy the worldwide fashion capital are now at risk of disappearing with that older generation. Good news is this trend is reversing. Over the last years, the number of people embracing repair has grown, especially led by the new generations. And we believe this to be a huge opportunity for the fashion brands, because out of all the people that already repair, over 92% of them are not yet served by their brands and need to repair somewhere else. These services are proven to increase loyalty, retention, and lifetime value, with each repair accounting for over $500 of intrinsic value for the brand. They are very good for the environment, and by 2027, brands will be legally required to offer them under the new European laws. But then we wondered, if it's such a no-brainer, why only 1 in 5 brands offers them? Well, because they're a nightmare to implement. Setting up operation takes a long time and is expensive. Training and hiring artisans is hard, which makes the model difficult to scale. And even after launch, repair times often stretch beyond 2 months, leaving customers frustrated and dissatisfied. That's where we step in, turning this mess of people and processes into Revivo, a smooth end-to-end experience for all the parties involved. In fact, we offer 100% outsourced care and repair service. Our network of certified artisans handles the work, while we act as a unique point of contact, liability, and invoicing, ensuring a full operational ownership. All of this is empowered by our technological platform that can be sold also as a standalone asset. Our model is flexible. Each partnership includes a one-time onboarding fee, a software as a service model, and a pay-per-repair. As of today, we can already repair over 400 items per week. We have spoken with over 30 brands, and with 3 of them, Adidas, Fratelli Rossetti, and Golden Goose, we are negotiating in order to kick off a pilot by the end of the year. Our team is positioned to succeed. I am Matteo. I have scaled fashion startups before, and I'm entering the space. Sharing this journey with me is Daniele, who brings deep strategic and engineering background. We've been pre-accelerated by Bocconi University in Milan, and we are supported by a very strong network of advisors. In the coming weeks, we're going to develop the technology and reach European capacity. And to make this possible, today we are raising 1 million, but also we're looking for advisors and brands to pilot with. Going back to Grandma and Grandpa for a second, they're sadly not here anymore, but we are sure we can have their legacy and genius to be passed on to the next generation craftsmen. Thank you very much.